everyone, it's Jessica with Salt Lake Magazine, and today I'm going to talk to you about what I think are the 5 essential brushes that every woman should have in her home cosmetics kit. Now, the reason I picked these are because either they really are just essential and I think that you should invest in them, or because they play kind of a double duty. You can use them for multiple things with your makeup. One thing to keep in mind when you are buying brushes is that it's okay to spend a little bit more and get a good brush. If you've used a cheaper brush before, you do notice that it leaves little fibers that you have to pick off when you're done, or it just doesn't distribute the product as evenly to your face. So just shop around a little bit and find something that really suits you and that will last you a long time. Okay, let's get started. Okay, your first investment should be a good foundation brush. Now, getting a good brush like this is good because when you put on foundation with your fingers, it actually kind of breaks down the oils and breaks down the product a little bit so it doesn't distribute to your skin as well as using a brush does. This one is good because it's got really soft bristles and it's tapered and flat, so it just distributes the foundation really evenly to your skin. And again, this is for a liquid foundation. Okay, next is a good powder brush. If you don't always wear liquid foundation and just wear powder, you do want a good brush to apply that with. You can use the puff that comes with your powder. It's good for touch-ups and stuff like that throughout the day, but for your first application in the morning, a good powder brush is great to evenly distribute the powder onto your skin. Okay, the next 2 brushes kind of go hand in hand. The first is just your basic eyeshadow brush. That's right, no more using the little sponge that comes in your eyeshadow kit. This is just, if you haven't used it before, just get it. Just trust me on this one. This is the best thing to apply your eyeshadow with. This eyeshadow blending brush, you'll notice, has a little bit longer, is a little bit longer of a brush. So it helps to blend. If you use the tip of it from the corner of your eye into the crease, it will blend those different colors of shadows that you're using on your eye. And this one is also great because it plays double duty in acting as a concealer setter, where if you use the side of the brush after you've applied your concealer and just use your regular face powder in the corner of your eye, it helps to set that concealer for your under eye circles. And last is just the small angled brush that you can either apply and blend your eyeliner with, or you can use it to apply to your eyebrows just to fill them in with eyebrow makeup. And the last and most important tip, regardless of what kind of brush you have, is that you need to clean it once a week. A good way to do this is just to use your regular facial cleanser, run the brush under warm water, and just gently pull out the product that's in it. Apply the cleanser, and again, gently pull it out while you run it under the water. You don't want to take the brush and jam it into your hand and rub it around because that can break off the delicate fibers. So that's the best tip that I have for you, along with all these others. I hope that you've enjoyed it, because we all know that clean, happy brushes make a clean, happy face.